Okay, so this is a quick video to show you how to make your first post in your new WordPress blog. So you may have your blog looking something like this. When you first log in, you may have changed your theme or gotten things all set up nicely. Either way, we'll just start with sort of the basics of how to get a new post happening in your blog. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get to your dashboard. And we can do that by clicking on the name of your blog up here. If you don't see this toolbar up top here, it probably means that you're not logged into your blog, you're just at your blog. So make sure you get logged into it, and then you should see that toolbar up at the top. So the first thing we're going to do is get to our dashboard. And your dashboard may or may not look something like this. Anyway, it should look fairly similar. You may have slightly different widgets and things in here, but this is pretty much what most of the dashboards should look like. So we're going to go over here to Posts on your main menu, and under Posts we can click on Add New. And that's going to open up a editor window that again should look something like this. It may look a little bit different. You may have slightly different tabs or different options up here, but this general area, the general editor should look pretty much the same. So the first thing we're going to do is title your first post. Depending on what your instructor has asked you to sort of write about in that particular week, you may want to choose something. I'm going to just say Jordan's first post in this particular case, and then you can click down here into the editing window. Now it's a standard sort of WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get, so whatever you put in here is pretty much what the post will look like. You've got some options as to different size headings and things like that, and bold and italics like you would in any sort of standard editor. So you can sort of write your post that way. I'm not going to worry about any of that too much. I'm just going to sort of say, this is my first post. Welcome to it. Okay, so you would write whatever you were supposed to be writing about in this editor window. You may choose to add some links or add some images or add some different media. That would be up to you, depending on what the post is. In order to add a link, you would click on the word that you wanted to create the link for, and then go up to this Add a Link button. You can click on that, and then you can put whatever URL you wanted into that space, and then click the Apply button to apply that link to it. If you wanted to add an image or some video or something, you could click on the Add Media button, and that Add Media button would allow you to go and find some images that you own the copyright for on your own computer that you could upload there, or you could go to a URL and add a URL in there and add a link to an image or a video or the like there, and then that would show up in your post as well. Okay, so we've got the link button. Once you've selected something to link, you can click on that, or you can add the Add Media button, and that'll allow you to insert media from your computer or from a URL. Okay. Once you've got your post looking the way you want it, and you're ready to go ahead and publish it, you're going to want to add that category that the instructor asked for each week, so that we can organize these posts throughout the year and be able to find them on the main course site. So to do that, we're going to go down here to this Categories tab and click on New Category. And whatever the category is that they've given you for this particular post to be added, maybe M1, P1 is a common one, Module 1, Post 1, perhaps, or whatever the category that they've suggested, that's where you'll put that, and then just click Add New Category. Once you see that new category in your categories folder, you can click that and make sure that's selected. And once that's selected, we can hit the Publish button. And publish your new post. Once that's been published, you'll get this notification up here that says, yes, you've successfully posted. And now we can view our post. There it is, our brand new post. This is my first post. Welcome to it. And we can see under our categories that we've added the category. And if we click on that category, we can see only the posts. Jordan's first post, and this is my first post, welcome to it, is the post that adds up in there, and you can see the categories added to it there as well.